Hi, I'm Wayne Burns with Kingdom Custom Cabinetry in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We're a full custom European full access cabinet maker, and I am a customer of Häfele. I love Häfele from the standpoint that I can get a lot of the things that I normally use in the shop, like screws, shelf pins. I can get hinges, drawer guides, and I also can get Sentry component pieces, which are great pull-out options. But I use a lot of the Häfele adjustable legs. But again, it's a partnership that I have with Häfele to be able to get a lot of the things that I use a lot that are very quality and very cost effective. So yeah, it's always good to be able to know when you come to a show like this that you're going to see new products and that you're going to be able to kind of get what's coming in the future as well. So yeah, we really do love Häfele.